Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my channel. Um, today's video for this week, I'm going to unbox the Adventure Force Power Pump Water Blaster. Anyways, this is my first time unboxing a water gun. Let's get into it and let's see what we have. All right. Alright, move that aside. So all it does is you put water inside. Yeah, all you do is put the water inside and shoot it. It's pump action. I like the colors. It has all my best colors. The green, the blue, and the orange. And, yeah. And that's all I'm going to show you today. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.